In today's video, this is for the people who are looking for a new job. And the thing is, there are dozens of new jobs posted every single day on LinkedIn. So today I'm going to show you how we can take every single new job posted on LinkedIn, create a Gmail alert, add all of those new jobs into Clay, personalize each one of those job post URLs so that we actually find out who the decision maker is, create a personalized email, and add that into our Smart Lead CRM and send out automated messages every single day. And as a bonus, we'll receive Slack messages and notify us when we've already sent this email. So if you're interested in this, drop a comment below and I can link you to the 20-minute in-depth tutorial of how I built this Clay table. And just to kind of give you a little more extra information, this is how it looks. So on LinkedIn, you're going to create a job search like this, right? And you can see I filtered it for go-to-market jobs. And you can just click on this toggle, set alert, and you'll start to receive emails every single day or whatever you set it up as to receive alerts for new jobs. So you can see that there's 6. And so with some Clay magic, I've added each one of those job post URLs and enriched them in this Clay table. I found out who the decision maker is, and I've crafted personalized messages and added them to my Smart Lead campaign automatically, which you can see here, and it's live. And when the email is sent, I receive a Slack notification like this. It says, hey, you sent an email to the CEO of Pantelope for the role of growth marketing strategist. And from here, we can actually apply to the job manually. And because these notifications are set for every 24 hours, we'll be one of the first candidates that actually apply to this job. So you're being proactive, you're applying for the jobs in a personalized way. And this is what automation and AI is all about. If you're interested, again, drop a comment below and I'll link you to the full 20-minute tutorial of how I built this. Thanks.